Hi, I'm Rohit from India. I have a good knowledge on Angular, React, and Ionic, and I have a 6 years experience on Angular, and I have done a lot of projects on that. And coming to this, what is an Angular? It is a framework and a platform that you can develop web applications that can be a dynamic or it is static applications. It is the most popular framework and a smart framework we call. Why we call a smart? Because why I'm calling a smart? Because I will tell you later. And coming to this history of this Angular, Angular was introduced by Google in 2010 as AngularJS. It is the first version. It is called as AngularJS. And in 2016, they have released a second version that is Angular 2. This is a complete overwrite of AngularJS. You don't have an similarities of that with AngularJS. This is Angular 2. In AngularJS, we use a JavaScript. In Angular 2, we are using TypeScript. We have a difference in that, a small symbol, but um, who know AngularJS can learn fastly Angular 2 as well. Don't worry about that. And you are, if you are new with total with AngularJS and Angular 2, no problem. You don't be having headaches. You can directly learn it easily. In Angular 2, they have implemented so many features which make a developer learn very easily, and we can do it very easily and fast as well. Okay. Coming to the After that, we now it is running with an Angular 4. We have after that it is built with Angular 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 versions. Every 6 months they have released a new version. Now presently it is running with Angular 9. Don't worry with that. Angular 2 and Angular 9 will be a similar one. We have minor features and additions added in that, but the the core concept will be the same as with Angular 2. So you should not worry about that. And what is an Angular? It is a, as I said you, Angular is a platform and a framework for building single page client applications using HTML, CSS and TypeScript. You should be having knowledge of this HTML, CSS and TypeScript, and why I call with like a single page client applications. In this, we will be having only one HTML, one page HTML. That is the main HTML we call as index.html, and it will be rendering the all pages which will be having implemented in this project. For example, we'll be having a multiple pages for different usage, and it will be rendered by single page only, so that it will be very much fast. Uh, that will be explained in a future course. Don't worry about that. And okay, Angular is written in TypeScript, and it implements core and optimal functionality as a set of TypeScript libraries that can import in your apps. The point is that you will be having a third party libraries. For example, third party libraries mean for doing any product we use other usage set of usage like things from outside. For example, like for building any part. For example, for making a carpenter want to do a cupboard like that. Yeah, you want something nails, wood, and other parts as well. It will be bought from some hardware shop. Here, the hardware shop will be a NPM. It is a node package manager. From there, we will be importing all third-party libraries and will be using in the Angular. Don't worry about that. I will be explaining you all the things in the course. This is a brief thing I will be telling you. And coming to the concepts in this course, I will be covering all these course concepts in this. How to set up in the system, I will be guiding you in that. And I'll be covering you the basics of HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. And I will be telling you the basics of TypeScript as well. Uh, TypeScript is a big ocean. I'll be covering you what all necessary things you want to be learned in this course, what will be useful for doing a project. Okay, and fundamentals of Angular. We'll be having some fundamentals in components, directives, and some fundamental things we'll be having in this. I will be covering you in that. And initially, I will be starting with forms and form validations, Angular directives, pipes, and routing the pages, child routing from one page to one page, and then we'll be moving to data handling services, dependency injection, HTTP calls, that all are crude operations, and the last will be moving to connecting with the database. This is the main concept for using the dynamic applications. How you are going to connect with the database and how you are calling uh, get methods and post methods, and at last I will be done with completing a course with the demo application. Okay, I'll be doing a application which make you learn all the concept of Angular doing lively, which is an e-commerce website. We think I will be doing that, and you will be learning every features and aspect of Angular, and will be at the last you will be a developer finishing with this course. Okay, uh, thank you very much.